everybody, my name is Camila. Today we're going to make an origami cat. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell and put a like. Don't forget to write in the comments down below. Here's how to make the kitty cat.
Okay, nice. Let's do it.
Let's do it. So for this, you're going to need a sheet of white paper. It needs to be square, and 2 markers.
But first you have to cut out the square from the sheet of paper, right? So
yeah.
You need scissors.
So you will need scissors too if you don't have a square sheet of paper. So first of all, fold your paper in half like this.
To make a triangle, yeah?
Yeah, to make an isosceles triangle. Now open it up again.
Social?
Mm-hmm.
What is isosceles?
Isosceles.
Okay.
Now, you see these angles? You need to fold them in this way, like I just did. Now, fold these these sides.
Borders, yeah?
These borders. 1 and 2. Now fold it in half. This way. Wait. Like this. Now fold your paper like this. Now fold it like this and open it again. Open like this and make this corner.
This is what, the head?
This is the head.
Of the kitten?
Yeah.
Or of you?
Of the kitten. Now fold this little angle like this, and then like this.
2 times, yeah?
Yeah, to make the paws. Now fold the ears back and then again forward. And the same thing for the other side. Fold back and forwards. It didn't come.
Show me how it is on the back side.
The back side is like this for now. Why isn't it coming?
Can you show it, please?
Wait a second. It doesn't come well. Why isn't it coming well? Wait, I've got it. Like this. Okay. I've done the ears.
Can you show it front and back, please?
Front, and this is the back. It should open up like this. Now fold like this, back, and now again forwards.
This is what?
This is the tail. Now take your
Kitten is ready?
well, the body is, but now we have to draw.
Okay.
Draw the cheeks, the ears, don't forget the other side. Now let's draw the nose and the mouth, don't forget. Draw 2 ovals. If it gets smudgy, don't worry. You can fix it just by doing this. Draw 2 little circles.
I don't see it.
Draw like this.
Okay.
This. Now color in.
So cute.
Now let's make the whiskers. Don't forget the paws. And your kitten is ready. Ta-da-da!
They are friends now. Now he has a friend, yeah?
Yeah. Hello, hello. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Thank you for watching my origami video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and turn on the notification bell. Bye!